seatbelts fastened and all of those carry-on items stowed right where they're at until we've come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. If you're connecting here to another Southwest Airlines flight, go out and check the TV monitors for your flight and gate information. If you are continuing on with us to Houston today, please remain in those original seats. We've got to get all our locals off, and then once we've done that, we'll get in through count, starting from the back, count you all the way up. I'll make another announcement letting you know when you can get up, stretch your legs, use the restrooms before our next flight out to Houston. We know you've got a whole lot of choices when you fly, folks. Thank you so much for choosing to fly with us here in Southwest Airlines. Go out, stay safe, enjoy yourselves, and welcome to San Diego. Flight attendants, please disarm and cross-check your doors for arrival.